What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix black and white screen issue on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on accessibility. Now in accessibility, tap on VN enhancements, and then in VN enhancements scroll down and here tap on color correction. Now here tap on this button to turn it off if you have enabled color correction, and after turning off this button your black and white issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings again, scroll down and tap on modes and routines, and then tap on sleep. Now from here turn off sleep mode if you have turned on. So maybe turning on sleep mode can make your screen black and white, so turn off sleep mode and then the black and white screen issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the black and white screen issue on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.